Hey guys, you're watching Cait Straight Up, and I am Caitlin, and today we are going to make a super easy and freaking delicious pumpkin cheesecake dip. This dessert could not be easier, and it is so addicting and so yummy. You guys are gonna love it. So we are starting with 16 ounces of a cream cheese in our bowl, and that is gonna be the base of our pumpkin cheesecake dip. After that, we obviously need some pumpkin. So we have one can here of 100% pure pumpkin. You're gonna wanna make sure you don't get something like pumpkin pie filling. I mean, you could, but the regular pumpkin's better. After that, you're adding 1 cup of a sour cream, and you're gonna do some sugar. So I have 1/4 of a cup of just regular old sugar here, and then I have 1/2 of a cup of a brown sugar that we're gonna just add in. And then the last thing that we need is a little bit of just some pumpkin spice. They sell this time of year in the store, so you can pretty much get it anywhere. And I just do a dash or so. Then you're gonna take your little handy dandy hand mixer here and just start blending it all together until all of your ingredients are mixed up really well, because this is pretty much the last step. So you're gonna really wanna blend it together and make sure that all of your brown sugar, all the lumps of that gets kind of blended in, and that all of your ingredients are evenly distributed. Because like I said, this is pretty much it. After that, you're gonna take this nicely blended dip and dump it into a serving bowl. And you're gonna wanna make sure that you scrape it all out, because trust me, you don't want any of this going to waste. So you want all of this. Once you have it all in the bowl and you've really scraped your mixing bowl clean, you're gonna go ahead and cover it up and refrigerate for 1 to 2 hours. You can actually even make this the night before and refrigerate it overnight. It's all good, but definitely do about 1 to 2 hours minimum, because you wanna give it some time in the fridge to kind of just come all together. So after you let it chill, grab those cinnamon pita chips or whatever you feel like dunking in and dig in, because this pumpkin cheesecake dip is so easy and so yummy. Make sure to subscribe to Cait Straight Up for more recipes like this every week. Find me on Instagram, guys. I love chatting with you there, Cait Straight Up Cooking, and I will see you next time. Bye-bye.